One of today's merry little jobs. Melting bushes out of a subframe for mat. Out you come. Get the fuck out. Boom, baby, boom. Let's go, Inferno! That's fucking hot now, that. I can feel it from here. That's hot. Is it time? Just watching this back now and realising I'm eating a KFC cookie and I forgot to tell you about that, so it was fucking lovely. White chocolate chip and brown chocolate chip. Get yourself some cookies. Remember, oh, uh-oh. What they used to pop out? You're gonna just fucking bang out. Ah, fuck off. Go again. Back once again for the Renegade Master. I mean, it can't be stuck in there if it's on fire, right? That one just exploded that piece out. Look, it went that far. That was great. It just went, poof, and it went over there. I think the key is just to get them on fire and then let fire do its magic, innit? Get it hot as fuck and let it fucking disintegrate itself. You wouldn't want to do this to a nicely painted diff carrier though. Sheesh. It looks grim. Snap, crackle and pop. Listen to that. Lovely. Oh, there you go.